All right, welcome to this week's video. Today, what I want to talk about is about the volatility that we have seen in the market. Ever since the election happened, there has been, and you probably have heard that interest rates have gone up. And I want to explain what is going on so you can have visibility as to what is happening in the market, and at the same time, feel some comfort that things are going to calm down. So, the incoming president has been really good for the stock market. Usually, when the stock goes up, interest rates for mortgages tend to go up as well. So, that's kind of like the consequences that we have seen in the short term. But I think once he is consolidated into power and we have a better vision as to what he's going to do economically, then things are going to mellow down. As a matter of fact, we got some better numbers this week. Actually, as a matter of fact, as of yesterday, that are going to show that hopefully interest rates are going to start coming down again. Yesterday, we did get battered. Interest rates went up again. But I'm hoping that starting probably next week, we will start seeing some positive movement towards better interest rates. But that still shouldn't stop you from going out there and looking at properties. As a matter of fact, I believe that by December, we're going to be back to where we were in September. So if you are out there trying to get into a home and you're trying to postpone this until you have heard, right, the interest rates have gotten better, don't do that. Because think about it. If you get into a home now, we're looking to, let's say that you get into a contract next week, then we have Thanksgiving coming over that time. And then hopefully by December, when interest rates get better, we can go ahead and lock. So you still have plenty of time to take advantage of the lower interest rates. And on the other hand, you always have the security that if interest rates get dramatically better, you get to refinance your mortgage with us at no lender cost. So there is really no reason for you not to jump into the home market now. There's a saying out there, I don't like to use it too much, but it says basically what it's saying, date the rate, marry the home. The meaning behind it is consolidate yourself, get yourself into a home, understand that the interest rate is not going to be what you really want at this moment, but you have the potential that is going to get much lower. We give you that opportunity to make this a lot easier. A lot of the people out there that get into a home now, they will have to pay lender fees to refinance. You don't have to do that with us. You don't have to pay lender fees if you do a rate on term. So if you get into a loan where it's a 6.75 or God forbid a 7.25, something around there, and then interest rates get down to 5%, you get to refinance at no lender cost. And on the other hand, now we have two hands, right? On the other hand, you not only get to refinance at no lender cost, but you don't lose the months that you make the monthly payment on. So let's say that you stayed on the loan for an entire year. You have a 30-year loan. You're not going to go back to a 30-year loan. You will start on a 29-year loan or something like that. So take advantage right now, again, of the holidays. This is the hottest time for a person like you to get into a home. This is where you're going to find deals. This is where you're going to find seller concessions. This is where you're going to be able to get some equity within the home. So take advantage of it. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. 480-542-8890. Have a wonderful day.